What determines color of an object? First, we have to discuss the color we see. The human eye distinguish only blue, green, red light. These are called primary colors of light. All other colors of light can be created by combining primary colors. Look at this picture. Red and green combine to form yellow color. Red and blue combine to form magenta. Blue and green combine to form cyan. These are called secondary colors of light. The combination of three primary colors result is white light. Color of an object. The color of the object that we see is largely due to the interaction of object with the incident light. The color of object is not within the object itself. Rather, it is the light that shines upon it. When the light of certain wavelength falls on the object, the light wavelength that are absorbed never make it to our eyes. The light that reflected contributes to the color of the object. Pigments. Many objects have color because they contain pigments. A pigment is a substance that color material by reflecting light of certain wavelengths and absorbing light of other wavelengths. For example, the common pigment is chlorophyll, which found in plants. Chlorophyll absorbs all the light except green. That's why plants appear in green color. Key points. When all of the light is absorbed, no color is reflected. So the object looks black. Black is not a color. Black is absence of light.
Dear students, today we are going to discuss about the color of the object. Why objects appear in a particular color. We have to discuss from this activity. One glass jar, white light, green light, blue color light, red light, pink light, and orange color light, and a red rose and white flower. So for this activity, first of all, take a glass jar and remove the cap, make a hole like this, fit the holder to this one in this way. So this is the arrangement of this activity. First of all, take red rose and insert the red rose in the glass jar like this. First of all, take white light, fit into the holder. Now this bulb insert in the red rose glass jar in this way. So this is white light, it means the bulb gives white light. Now switch off. Now switch on the white light. So this is white light. The light comes from the bulb incident on the red rose. So the rose appears in red color. Because of the red color, the rose absorbs all the colors, rest of the red colors. It means the red color reflected by the rose. That's why the rose appears in red in the presence of white light. White light from the holder, place this side. Instead of white light, now you fit the green light to the holder. So again, this is the same way we have to fit the green color light in the red rose color jar. So now I have to see in the presence of white light, the flower looks in red in color. Switch on green light. So now I have to observe this one. So the rose appears in black color. How it is possible? In the presence of green color, the rose appears in black because of the green color emitted by the light absorbed the red rose. So there is no emitted light. That's why the object, it means the flower, appears in black in color. Now switch on white light. So again, normally in white light it appears in rose color. Now remove green light. So place this side, and now take the blue color light. Again same, fit into the holder, and in the same way insert in the red rose glass jar. So now we have to look in the presence of white light, the rose light, and switch on blue color. Now, so what a surprise! We observe this color of the rose. What is the color of this rose? Again black. So in the presence of blue light, the red color rose appears in black because of the red rose only emits red color, remaining red color. So whatever may be the color incident on that, so all the color absorbed. So here the blue color incident on the rose flower, that's why the blue color absorbed by the rose, so there is no emitted light. So whenever there is no emitted light, the object will appear in black. That's why the rose is appear in black in color. Now, so in the presence of white light, again it's look like in red color. We have to take one more light instead of blue color. So this is red light. This is red color. Now fit this the same way and insert in the red rose glass jar like this. This light gives red light. Now in the presence of white light, the red rose appears in red in color. So now what will happen if you switch off white light? So in the absence of white light, in the presence of red color, how it will appear? Now please switch off white light and switch on red color. So in the presence of red color, the rose appears in red because of the light gives red color. So the red color emitted by the rose color. So that's why the appearance of the rose in red. So because of the red color only incident on the rose, the red color emitted by the rose. So there is no other color. So the emitted or reflected color is the color of the body. So that's why the red, in the presence of red color, the rose appears red in color.